Hi friends, it's second video tutorial on resume making in MS Word, and you guys can see here that this is template which I designed today. So let's start. I will open here. I will open MS Word, and now it is opening. Take a blank document here, then I will uh, page layout. What should be page layout? Click on page layout, then size should be A4 size, and margin should be 0 or nil from every side. You guys can see here, top, bottom 0, right 0, and left is also 0. After that I will uh, insert a blank page here, so I can put my source file here which I have already made, and I will create it again here at right sided blank page. So here I keep my cursor, then click on file, open, and resume. This file was already designed by me, so I copy it, Control A for select all, Control C from keyboard for copy, then here I will paste it, Control plus V for paste. So you guys can see here, make a selection first. Okay. Now I will create it here. So first of all, click on insert. You guys can see here that margin is 0, nil. So click on insert, then click on shape. Here take rectangle, then draw a rectangle from here, half an inches. This is 1 inch and this is half an inch, and here put your cursor, then hold left key of your mouse and then drag it down. So here you guys can see. After that, click again on insert option, then shape, take rectangle one more time and put your cursor here, then hold left key of your mouse and then drag it down. Sorry friends, then drag it down, shape, insert, and here we go. Scroll down, and put your cursor on this dot. This rectangle is selected now, keep it in mind, and then drag it down by holding left button of your mouse. So here we go. After that I will change color of these rectangles. So here you can see that my fill color is purple color. So I will change my once I click on any shape, rectangle or text box or anything, any shape, it is selected then. Okay, now it is selected, then click on here, its formatting option appears. So shape fill from more, here we can see that. Okay, then click on this shape, then fill color. Okay, what should be, it is selected now, keep in mind. And outline should be no outline. After that select it also, then outline should be no outline. After that click on insert, then pictures and select your resume picture. What you click on layout option. As I inserted this picture, its inserted layout options appears here at right upper side of it. So click on it, and in front of text it is last option. So here you can see, click on this picture, hold left button of your mouse and then increase the size of your picture. So here we go. After that its formatting options are here. So click on crop to shape, then circle. After that picture border, here click on picture border should be white, and then right click on this picture. First of all we have to put it on its proper place. So here I will put it. After that I will insert a text box here. Insert, click on insert, then text box. Here draw a text box. Here draw text box, and I will draw a text box. Here I will write my resume name here. Okay, then I will increase the size of by first of all I select my text in text box, then I will click on home, then click on font size, and it will be 28, and then it is selected. Now I will press Ctrl U from my keyboard for underline. Control U, or I can select here. Okay, I will click on this draw box, any dot of this draw box, and here you can see its formatting option. I will click on fill color, no fill color. Okay, then outline will be no outline. Okay, and text color will be white. Click on home, then it is text color and it will be white, and Control B. Here click on bold for bold it. Okay, then I will copy it again, Control C, Control V, and here you can see that I pasted one more copy here. Select it and write your post name for which you want to apply. In my case, web developer. Okay, I will decrease the size. So first of all I will select it and then home, and I will decrease the size of 14, and alignment, Control E for center alignment, and here So guys, you can see that I have created my resume title, picture. After that, I will click on this picture, right click, and at the bottom format picture. Then it's formatting option of this picture. As you can see guys, that it is selected now. First fill and line, click on bucket, and line mean its border. Increase the line border width to 15 pt. Okay, after that I will draw a text box here. I will copy it, Control C, Control V. Okay, then I will put it here, here, and first of all I will fill it with white color. So fill it with white color. You guys can see that when I double click on any corner of this selected text box, then its formatting option appears here. And as you guys can see that at the right side here, you can see formatted option of every shape which you select, whether it is text box, rectangle, circle, picture, anything. So I fill here white color. Here we go. Friends, you can see here that this rectangle is rounded corner. So I will insert a shape with a rounded rectangle. So here we go, and shape color should be white, and then should be white, shape color white, and click on these layout option. Then click on your picture and right click and bring it to front. Okay, so guys, you can see that now this rectangle is at the back side of my picture. Select rectangle, then border, no line. Okay, so line disappear. After that, here you guys can see that this area is white. So click on your picture and then increase its border or line. So line, it was 15 pt, so I increase it. Here you guys can see that now it is becoming more and more clear. Here you guys can see. After that, click on this text box and use arrow keys for better progress or better result. You guys can see now this rectangle is more clear. After that, here you guys can see that it is a straight line and here it is rounded. So click on it and increase its size. After that, so this rectangle should also be on the back side of my white rectangle. Send to back, send to front, send to back. So guys, you can see here I adjust my picture here. This will be okay. Now you can see it is almost done. Then copy it, and now I will give headings, education, experience, skills, about. Copy it, Control C, Control V. Okay, then take it down by holding left button of your mouse and then click here, Control F for select all inside the rectangle box, then back, and what should be text option of this. Now it is selected and here you can see its text option and its shapes option itself. So click on text option and then what should be text color, text fill. I will select text color here, blue color. So after that I will select it and here I type education as it was already underlined, so here I remove underline. Okay, as you guys, and this color is little okay. And what should be heading font size, it should be 28. So here you guys can see that it is 28. After that copy it, Control C for copy, Control V for paste, one paste for experience, next paste for skills, next paste for reference. So here I type reference and here click on this new and then type experience. Okay, reference spelling. Okay, sorry, it was education experience, and after that uh, one heading is remaining here, skills. Control C, Control V for paste, and Control A, then type skills. Skills. Okay. And then take it down. Here I will draw a text box for my education. So Control C, Control V for paste and take it down. After that, you guys can see here that font size under education is white. So first of all, I will delete in text inside this text box. Then here you guys can see text options, and text font color should be black, and then font size, decrease font size to 14. Then type about your education here. Friends, remember that our education should be appeared in resume reverse chronological order. So latest degree got by you should be on number first, and second last on the second number. So here you guys can see in 2015 I got my diploma in associate engineer. Then in 2012 I got my degree in intermediate or FL level or second year level. So I will copy it, Control C, and here I will paste it, Control V. So you guys can see here I will increase the size of my text box, and here you guys can see its margin. So here we go. After that, click on this tab and upper arrow key from keyboard. Then I will here I decrease the size of my text box. Okay, then copy it again, Control C, Control V. Okay, then take your cursor on this text box. When four-sided arrow appear, then hold your mouse key and drag it down here. After that, select text inside the text box and delete it. Then write about your experiences in reverse chronological order. So Control C here, Control V. So you guys can see now my experiences are here, and after that here I will write my about my profiles, Control C, Control V, and then take it. sorry friends, control C, control V, and when four-sided arrow appear, then hold left button of your mouse and take it here, decrease the size. Okay, then as you guys can see here, the text box fill color is white, so here solid fill and select white color. Okay friends, then copy it again, copy, see, and here you guys can see interest language, so here four-sided arrow, here we go, increase a little bit size. Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, here we go. And here we go. Okay, and then copy it again, control C, control V, and in front of text. So friends, I will copy it again, copy it again and control V. Okay, then hold left button of your mouse and here we go. Okay, its size was out, so I copy it again and here I put and use upper arrow key. So guys, you can see that it is almost done. Here you guys can see that this rectangle size was short. After that guys, now I have to draw box here for my residential address, my contact number and email address, etc. So copy it, control C, control V, and then take it here and control A for select all, then delete and type your contact information here. Type your contact information, control V, and then your Gmail ID, email ID whatsoever, control Gmail ID. So friends, I Control A, Control C. Control V. V, then Control A, Control C. And here we go. After that, select all, then click on home and lining space 115 and here 115. Okay, then 1 5. It's quite clear. Control A, lining space 115. Guys, you can see here that it is almost done. Okay. Okay. Click here and here we go. So this is my contact number and here it's my Gmail ID and then my sorry friends, residential address. So now I will put here icon for contact information, then for email address, then for residential address. So I draw a text box here, insert a text box here, insert, then text and draw text box. Okay, here I draw a text box here and I will its color is already white, so it will be remain same. And then click inside the text box, then insert and then add symbol here, a symbol for a receiver, and select the receiver icon inside the text box, then click on home and increase its size. Okay guys, 18. After that, hold this circle by holding left button of your mouse and rotate it so it looks better. After that, change color of your icon here we go. Okay, maybe little more. So here you guys can see that it is almost done. Put it here. Use arrow keys for better progress. So here you see, copy it again, Control C, Control V. Here you can see, click inside the text box, then backspace, delete, and then click on insert, then symbol, and here click on envelope icon, and after that here we go, copy it again, click on any dot of this box, selected box, and Control C and Control V, and click inside the text box, Control A for selecting all everything inside the text box, then delete and insert, and click on symbol for home icon. Here we go. So guys, you can see that there are 3 icons, but we have to delete border of these icons. So click on every box, then shape option, and fill and line, no line. Okay, then click on this box, fill and line, no line, and then click on this box, fill and line, no line. Okay, so here we go. So here we go. Friends, click on picture, then I think I have to decrease the border width so this rounded circle can disappear and it looks like such a car. So and decrease it. Now I will increase it so you guys can see that after that use arrow keys. Here we go. Okay, then and after that I want to select all these icons at a time, so hold shift, then click on next. I increase the size of my screen and use arrow key for moving at left side. Here we go. So you guys can see here. Click on receiver icon. House icon. And here you can see. After that, use arrow key. And upper arrow key. Here. And this envelope should be here at the beginning of my email address. So here we go. And there is a little hook, so here. So guys, you can see that it is almost done. After that, here decrease the size of this rounded rectangle. So guys, you can see that, yeah, awesome. For better progress, zoom the size of your screen and then format. You guys can see that whenever I click on any shape or text box, its formatting option appears at right. So first of all I close it, and then I click on this rectangle. This rectangle is now selected. I click on right click on this and at the bottom format shape, and here its formatting option appears, and after that it will not close until you cross it. And after that, if you click here on this rectangle, here its formatting option opens. If you click on this text box, here its formatting option occurs. Okay, appears. After that, a reference about. Here you guys can see that there's yeah, excellent, and I should increase the size here. So guys, now it is almost done. After that I will uh, insert a rectangle here, here a rectangle, then here. So I will increase the size of my screen and put your cursor here. So and formatting option, you can access to formatting options from both of the ways. It is selected and at the top you can select its formatting option, or can go into formatting option at the right side. And what should be shape outline, no outline. Okay, then copy it and what should be uh, then here uh, this type about here, you use about here and right here for about yourself here. Edit, add text. So here you have to add text. Okay, then if your all text is not visible, then click on this shape and then increase the size of your box. Use arrow keys. Okay, after that here type interest or hobbies and copy it, this box, copy, Control V for paste, then reduce its size. Okay, and click inside the box, then Control F for select all and backspace or delete here, cross it, Control A and delete. Okay, then here 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 I have to write about my hobbies or interest. So click here, here, Control O. Okay friends, then guys you can write here if this icon was I delete it first. Then my cursor is here inside the text box. Click on insert. For book reading, there select a book symbol so you guys can see it appear here. After that, so guys, I will select it all. Hold shift, select it, then select this box, then select this, then select this, and then select this, and use arrow key, simple arrow key, upper arrow key, and take it at the top here, because I have to write about my languages here. So I decrease the size of it. So guys, Control C, Control V, select all, and backspace, and write about your language which you can speak. Control V here. Okay, reduce the size of your box, and then here we go. Take it down by down arrow key, and here you can see that it is almost done. And use arrow keys, upper arrow key from keyboard. First click on any dot of selected item, shape or text box, then use arrow key for moving the shape. Okay, then here reference. After that I will tell you about skills, and in skills here I inserted a chart. So here copy it, Control C, Control V, select all, and reference is often provided once you got offer letter from a recruitment organization, but in some cases they ask for references first. So here I so you guys can see here my reference list is here. Here you guys can see that here I inserted home, hold this, put it here, okay, it is almost done. Here is my cursor. I will put a receiver icon here, insert, then insert, then symbol, then here phone icon, and here I have to put envelope icon for mail address, and here home address, so home symbol here. After that space, and I select this and back, okay, and here back, and increase the space and space, and after that select this receiver icon, then click on home, and here change its color, and after that envelope, select envelope, change its color, after that select home and change its color. So here we go, lining space, click on home, click on lining space, and increase lining space. Lining space 1.5 is enough. So friends, after that use down arrow key and click on any button of this reference, and here you can see that these dots are when I drive it at left side, then these dots should be on this outline, okay, and click on this, so this should be here. Now we have to write about our skills. I have to draw this chart, so click on insert option, then chart, then here bar chart, and select stacked bar chart, and then OK. You will see here that here a chart appear here, and its layout option also appear on top right. First of all, click on layout option, then select last option, which is in front of text. Okay, then you can see guys here that your chart is in front of your resume. So here you can see that these series line, these are called series line. Select one color from it and then delete. Okay, then select second color, then delete. Now there is only blue color here. Type your skills here. In my case, as I typed here Adobe Photoshop, shop, then Corel Draw. So Corel Draw, and then Adobe uh, Adobe Illustrator, then Office MS Office. So I have required only one series for every subject, so rest of series are not required, so I select all these and delete it. So here you can see I type 100, it's mean I am 100% proficient in Adobe Photoshop, then Corel Draw should be 80, and then 100. Here you can see guys 100 Adobe Illustrator, then here it is 50, so I click type 50 here. This is source file of this chart. It appears when we create a chart in MS Word. So here I type 50 and I cross it. Whenever I need to edit data, I click on this chart, right click, and then edit data. It will appear again source file here. So guys, you can see. So after that I will drag it down here and will decrease its size. Okay, here I will decrease its size. Use arrow keys. Skills. So guys, you can see here, and series color, click on series, then at right side fill and line series color option, I will change its color, and no line. Okay, no line. Oh, then chart option, click here. This outside the plot is the area where our series exist, and uh, outer of that is called chart. So chart option, border, no border, as you can see here there is no border, and here I click. After that this series title is no more required because I have already typed here skills, so I delete it, select and delete it. Then there, this is also not required. Okay, then click on this axis where I put the name of my subjects and bold it, then font size. Okay, increase the font size, and after that these here grid line, these grid lines which are intersecting my series at different points, and here you can see major grid lines option. As you can see here I put a little arrow here, so I select this, and here is little arrow. After that, this axis option, what should be here? Hmm, First of all, I increase its size. Okay, so you can see it in better way. So guys, you can see here, I have selected this, fill, and here you can see axis option. Click on axis option, and then bounds mean 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. What should be minimum value and what should be maximum? So here I write 100, and here it will be as same as earlier, 0. Then here I units mean 10, 20, 30, 40. What should be unit? Major unit and minor unit. So I type here 10, and it will automatically become 2, as you can see guys, 1, 10, 30. So here it easily understandable by the reader of our resume that I am proficient in 100% in these two subjects, and 80% in Corel Draw, and then 50% in MS Office. So there is no chart border here. I hope you guys will like it. If you like it, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. We'll see you in next template 3. Earlier to that, I have designed this template for you guys for in my previous video tutorial. So guys, we'll see you in next video tutorial. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.